In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table using Canva. Whether you're working on projects for work or personal use, tables can be a great way to organize information clearly and concisely. Let's dive in and see how you can easily add a table to any of your Canva designs. To start, you'll need to open Canva. You can either begin a new design project or open an existing one that you're working on. Once you're in the design space, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll notice the sidebar, which serves as your ultimate toolbox for creating compelling designs. This is where Canva houses all the elements, like shapes and graphics, that help bring your ideas to life. Locate the Elements tab in this sidebar. It's your gateway to a plethora of features, and today, we'll be zeroing in on tables. At this point, click on the Elements tab, and in the search bar at the top of the newly opened window, type the word Table. By doing this, you effectively filter out the other features, narrowing your search down to elements specifically designed for creating tables. Canva offers a variety of pre-made table templates and designs, which makes it incredibly convenient to find something that fits your aesthetic and needs. After typing in table, you'll notice multiple options pop up, displaying an array of styles and configurations. Take a moment to browse through these templates and find one that aligns perfectly with the look you're going for in your design. Once you've made your selection, the next step is simple. Click on your chosen table and drag it over to your canvas area. With a straightforward drag and drop motion, place it right where you want it to appear on your design. This action within Canva is not only intuitive, but also gives you the freedom to position your table exactly as you've envisioned it. Now that your table is on the canvas, it's time to get down to customization. Click on any cell within the table to start inputting your data. Canva enables typing directly into the table's cells, much like you would in familiar spreadsheet software. This feature is particularly handy for entering text, numbers, and any other data you need to present in a structured format. To further make your table uniquely yours, adjust its color, size, and border properties to fit seamlessly with the overall style of your document. This personalization ensures that your table not only communicates the necessary information effectively, but also enhances the overall aesthetics of your design. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added and customized a table in Canva. This feature will surely make your projects look organized and professional, all without requiring too much effort or time. Remember, the key to designing effectively in Canva is to explore and experiment with its wide array of options. Thank you for watching and happy designing.